In this video, I will be showing you how to create a numbered list graphic in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll click on the Custom Size button and select an 8.5 by 11-inch layout from my recent designs. Once the workspace loads, I'm going to add a text box to the center of the page. I'll start by typing out a sequence of letters, placing each one on its own line to build a long vertical list. I'm going all the way down to the letter P, hitting Enter after each character to ensure the list is perfectly aligned. This vertical structure will serve as the foundation for our graphic. Once I have all my letters in place, I'll highlight the entire text box and click the list icon in the top toolbar. This instantly converts my letters into a numbered sequence. Now, I'll drag the text box over to the left side of the canvas to make room for our design elements. Next, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the sidebar and select a simple square shape. I'm going to move this square over the top of my list and resize it so it neatly frames the first 4 items. To give the shape a more defined look, I'll open the Border menu and increase the stroke weight to 3. I'll spend a few moments adjusting the height and width of the box, as well as the alignment of the text, to ensure everything looks balanced and professional. I want the numbers to sit perfectly within that highlighted area. With a few final tweaks to the positioning, the graphic is complete. That's all it takes to create a clean and effective numbered list graphic for your next project.